Yeah, good day. This is an MMM ideology by Abumeri John. We're going to be looking at what is MMM, what MMM is all about. And MMM simply means Mavrudi Mondial Movement. It is a global community of financial aid. It is not a bank, neither it is a business, nor investment. So this is a community was created by Sergei Mavrudi in order to fight the unfair and unjust financial system of the world, where the rich only cares about themselves, the richer becomes richer, and the poor becomes poorer. It aims to put an end to the unfair world, creating a where we can achieve financial freedom. It also creates a platform where there will be no need to go to the bank and borrow money. So there is also a platform of financial system where MMM will be circulated. And now look at how does it works, how MMM works. In MMMs, there is no central account. You can see in MMM no central account, and also we send our donations directly to the recipient account. And also one participant pledges to provide help while another requests for their help. Mavro, which is gotten for the founder's name, Sergei Mavrudi, and there is also a Mavro is the internal currencies used in the system. So it started growing from the participant decided to make a pledge of a certain amount at the rate of 30%, which usually grows twice a week, Tuesdays and Wednesdays and Thursdays. So do not fail to confirm fund reception after your account must have been credited, otherwise you'll be blocked. And also how it works, so do not allow your family members to provide help more than you. MMN is not a business. Also remember to write letter of happiness after you have gotten the help, otherwise you won't be able to get help. Now also look at the rules of MMN. In MMNs, you must not have or don't have a multiple account. The participants are allowed to have only one account. And do not share your email or banking details. You will be placed under moratorium from getting help until you give identity. So don't delay payment don't delay payment orders, otherwise you'll be blocked. And do not edit your details or change your password less than 15 days before getting help, otherwise your PH will be delayed for 14 days. And also do not click on the button I refuse to make payment buttons, and do not make deposit and fail to attach proof of payment, otherwise you'll be blocked. These are the rules of MMM. Now we shall be looking at also the benefit of MMM. In MMM there are a lot of benefits that a participant stand to get, and one of the benefits that it has a multi-level bonus, and also have 5% as the first level participant denominations, and also 3% second level participant denominations, and 1% third level, and so on. In MMM also offers 30% growth rate per month for participant donations, registration bonuses of $20 bonuses for donation from $50 to $499, and there also a referral bonus of 10% in donations of participants that you invited into the system with your referral link. And also you also benefit by, as a participant, you have the opportunity to join a gather schools for free and a chance to become a gather. Now we shall be looking at the conclusions. In MMM we are always told, don't donate spare money only, don't contribute all the money you have. Together we can change the world and make the world a better place. Long live MMM.